You're going to have a good show today. You know why? Because you're good enough, you're smart enough, and doggone it, you've already had 3 shots today. What could possibly go wrong? I'm not the only one who needs a pep talk every once in a while. In the late 2000s, rye whiskey needed a pick-me-up too. And it can't even have itself a drink. It already is one. After the Whiskey Rebellion, rye suffered for years. It was finally put to rest by Prohibition. But like a zombie rising from a shallow grave, rye was awakened by a shot of proverbial caffeine, even though it's a downer. In 2006, the cocktail culture began to rise in the United States. This introduced a lot of bartenders to some classic material, like this book, The Bartender's Guide, written 62 years after the dawn of the 19th century. If not for a bunch of hipsters and their vintage bookstores, we wouldn't be making this video today. To hipsters and their sad, depressing lives. Redemption. Thank God for it. Okay, my buzz is wearing off. Let's mix the old pal. 1 ounce of dry vermouth. 1 ounce of Campari. 1 ounce of rye whiskey. But first, we have to have ourselves a shot. Rye whiskey, rye not. And that's the old pal. Here at Empires and Cocktails, we've been busy for the past couple of months, but the time has almost paid off. We have a big surprise in store for you next week. And when I say big, I mean huge, tremendous. And no, I'm not shaving off my mustache because, let's be honest, that would be not so great. But truly, this is amazing. Nobody else has ever done this before. Just us. And it's great, amazing, tremendous, huge. So the day's word of wisdom is tune in. Tuning in is what you are going to do next week. You're going to have a good show today. You know why? Because Roe's going to edit the shit out of this. Sorry, I couldn't help that.